Hey everybody, this is Complexity Crew. So here we're going to, I'm just showing you guys how I mix my tracks. This is like a dancehall EDM track hybrid. So, first I'm just mixing this a little more solidly. I have to turn down the mix of some of the drum elements here. Then we're gonna add percussive vocal sounding using the granulizer. And yeah, let's see here how it sounds, and I'll let you guys hear it. I'll come back in when I have to explain what I'm doing. Alright people, so now I'm just gonna check the mix levels, and once I make the mix sound a little better, I'm gonna EQ out this on the master, the lowest and highest frequency on the master track. That way it's not out of, the frequency ranges that it should be. And then, yeah, we're going to add percussive elements around the clap sound. So check it out. I'll let you guys hear, and I'll show you how we're gonna use a granulizer to make a percussive element out of such samples like this. And yeah.